Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. In this tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through step-by-step process on how to log in Time Finance. First step is to open your browser. Now click on the search bar and type in Time Finance login. Scroll down a little bit until you see this logo, click on it. Now scroll down and here you can see two options to log in. If you want to log in as a client, you can click here, and if you want to connect your bank, you can click on this button. Now click on login as a client. Here you will need your username and a password to log in, so type in your username. Now type in your password. Now click on login, and these are the simple steps that you can follow to log in Time Finance. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.